Remember the case study from a few days ago?
I have a video going viral right now as we speak, bro.
Right after we filmed it, he started hitting 10K days. So here's the update.
Bro,
What's up?
what the fuck happened?
Bro, I'll be real honest with you, I really have no idea. Bro, this is the most craziest thing ever. Literally, when we had our first meeting that we were talking, and I was telling you about that viral video, right?
Yeah.
Literally, I got off. I went and rushed out to my kitchen to make my video, the call to action video. And I got the freaking video out there. And it was at before we started talking on the interview, I think it was around 500K views already. Bro, when we got off of the call, it was at 1 million views. Like it was literally at 1 million views. And then when I finished the call to action video, it was at 1.2 million views.
Yeah.
It was the most ridiculous thing ever, bro. And I went from 8,000 followers to I think 15,000 followers. From 15,000 followers, I think to 20,000 or 25,000. And now, bro, literally right now I'm at 62,000 followers with 674,000 likes.
Insane. Insane.
Yeah.
And how did it convert?
So that was on Tuesday. We had that one on Tuesday, and it got me almost around 10K that day, bro. Oh, wait, really? There's no way.
Yeah.
So yeah, apparently it almost made me around 10K.
Crazy.
But
And how much did it make since the 15th till today?
from the 15th till today, I'm sitting around 41 right now, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we had our last call, I think I was sitting at 20.
Yeah.
Now we're sitting at freaking 41 just because of that one video. But here's the craziest thing though. The most craziest thing ever. I had that video. So right now that video is at 4.3 million views right now. But it literally me and Pepe, I was in the call and Pepe was watching it and he was just like, bro, he's like, this video should easily hit 8 million views.
Yeah.
And
So good. It is so insane. This video was so good, bro.
bro,
It's been a while since I've seen as good as it. It was everything about it was a 10 out of 10.
bro, it's wild, bro. And it sucks because it was on track to keep going big, but then it got banned outside of the Europe. So they took it away from Europe. So now it's only in the US. So it's at 4.3 million views. And then I made a remake because Jacob and Pepe and everybody were like, bro, make a remake as quick as you possibly can for this video. That same remake video with just a little bit of couple tweaks in it to make it better and make it a little funnier is at 2.5 million views.
So that was the next days then. You had almost a 7K there or something like that after that, 5K and then 7?
So it went from 9 there, and then on the 16th, it went from the 6, and then from there, it went to 8K, so almost 9, and then today I'm sitting around 8:33, and it's not even 7 in the morning for me.
Yeah, so it's 6 a.m. at your place, and it's literally $800, right?
Yep.
Oh, that's wild, man. That's legit. This is those are legit numbers now.
Bro, it's ridiculous.
How did you come up with the video?
Okay, so there were these I got basically inspiration off of these one guy's accounts because bro, you guys know me, bro. I love to have fun with people and I'm a very open social person, dog. So any product that allows me to be out in public and just be who I am, bro, it's the most funnest thing ever in the world.
Yeah.
So literally I came across these one guy's accounts and they were literally just doing nothing but messing people with their products. And I was like, oh, wait, I can do that with mine, except I need to figure out how to do it with my products because theirs, they can actually do a lot more things in it, shoot people with it and stuff. So I was like, how do I do that with my products, but make it entertaining? And everybody has been telling me, they're like, bro, they're like, you're naturally entertaining. You need to go do stuff that just entertains these people. And I guarantee you will freaking launch. And I literally, it was the most trippiest thing because I came across their account and then Pepe and Jacob are telling me, Like literally Jacob told me, he was like, you need to figure out how to like implement a video like you're a 16-year-old kid that just got this product and has fun.
Yeah.
And I both of them just connected, bro. And that's how I freaking made that one. And then I was walking down the street and I came across that first clip, and that's how I saw it. And I was like, huh. I started thinking like we can use this, maybe we can come with this here, here, here. And yeah, it worked.
Yeah, man, and it went so quick. Like just instantly after it was posted, that again shows content. Obviously, after the product is already handled and it's a good product, it's just about the content. Like if you have actually like really, really, really good content, it just works, and it's basically as simple as that. I wish I could like show people what your video looks like. We're obviously not gonna.
Yeah.
But yeah, like it's so good. So since you launched the video, how much did you make in total?
So since I launched it, we launched that one. That was on Tuesday. So we're sitting around 25K right now since I launched the video.
And how much of that?
Yeah. I haven't ran the numbers yet, but I think like around there, probably around like 17, maybe like 18K in profit. Throughout the whole 41, I don't know yet. I gotta do the numbers, bro. I don't even know what I'm doing really. I'm just making content, bro.
So yeah, 17K profit in basically 3 days. Obviously, I assume today, looking like it started right now, it's already gonna go over 20K in profit. Insane. The craziest part was you were talking about that video going viral in the first video, right? That was
yeah, bro. That's the most trippiest thing ever. I was like, this video is going viral right now, dog. And then I hopped in the call with Pepe, and Pepe was just like, somebody showed my account to Pepe before I even got in the call. And like, I just literally hopped in there and I was like, Pepe, what do I do, bro? Like, this video is like going insane, man. Indeed, he like the whole call, he's refreshing his laptop and he's giving me updates on it, and I'm watching it. And he's like, bro, this is like ridiculous. He's like, you're literally on track to make 8 million views this video. But then, that stuff outside of Europe happened. So it is what it is.
So happy for you. That was a quick level up.
It's insane that this just shows you that literally it can just like overnight, bro.
Yeah. Well, the two things you need to keep in mind right now is customer support. Like I'm going to send you a contact for somebody who can do it for you. You're not going to keep up in the next couple of weeks.
Okay.
That's number one. Number two is AOV. That needs to be like on those numbers, you need to be on point. You're like not having AOV optimized, it's like losing you probably like 2K a day or something like that. So it's like 90% profit because on upselling, it's even cheaper to send the product. That was the product cost goes down to, so we're gonna go like really, really deep into AOV then.
Okay.
Yeah.